AG fine cast bricks aren't just ordinary bricks. Cast or concrete bricks are cured rather than baked, which uses far less energy in production as a result of an exothermic chemical reaction, which occurs when water and cement are mixed. The process eliminates the need for continuous kiln firing at 1000 degrees centigrade, which is necessary to produce a standard house brick. An AG fine cast brick uses 30% less energy to produce than a standard kiln-fired house brick, thanks to over 60 years of refining and improving on our processes. In addition to our other sustainability measures, such as the introduction of recycled pigments into our product mixes and the use of local aggregates, all AG fine cast bricks are manufactured with Enduur 1 advanced concrete technology. What does this mean in terms of sustainability? Well, AG Enduur 1 technology means all bricks are now manufactured with a body mix that contains up to 30% less embodied carbon than a standard kiln-fired house brick. Its improved formula means it's stronger than ever and will assuredly last longer, with less upkeep required year on year. It's been purposely designed to help reduce the environmental footprint of a typical building and to enable specifiers and developers to make a premium yet meaningfully environmental choice. One day, all bricks will be made this way.